talk about how to prepare some tomatoes. So these are tomatoes from Cosmic Apple. If you keep your chef's knife really sharp, you can cut through tomatoes really nicely. But also, we do suggest using any type of serrated knife works well because it can cut through that tough skin while still keeping the insides intact. My mom usually loves a caprese salad with these fresh tomatoes, so just a thick slice works very well. But if you're making any type of salsa or something like that, you can do cubes or just a rough slice. And when you're cubing them, you first just want to slice them like this, and then you can do them into the cube size that you like. These are some tomatoes from Cosmic Apple, and a great way to cut these is to just half or fourth them so they don't explode in your mouth when you're eating them. One problem with Jackson tomatoes is that the season is so short. So finally, a great way to cut and store tomatoes is by coring them. So using a smaller paring knife, you can just cut around that inside core and have a perfectly good tomato in January.